Most organizations are not short on improvement activity. They have projects. They have metrics. They have meetings. They have capable people working hard to make things better. But despite all of that activity, performance often remains inconsistent. Priorities shift. Decisions stall. Metrics are reviewed, but not acted on. Improvement work happens locally, but the business still struggles to create sustained execution at the enterprise level. These are the problems operational performance architecture is designed to address. Operational performance architecture, or OPA, is an executive framework for helping leadership teams move from scattered improvement efforts to a clearer system of operating performance. OPA looks at the operating system underneath the activity. It helps leaders answer questions such as, are we focused on the right few priorities? Do our metrics actually drive decisions? Are accountability and decision rights clear? Are operational issues being escalated at the right level? And is the organization improving performance in a way that is sustainable, visible, and aligned with business objectives? Many companies already have the tools. What they often lack is the architecture that connects those tools to executive judgment, decision velocity, and discipline follow-through. That is where OPA is different. The goal is to improve the condition of the business by helping leaders create clarity, traction, and execution discipline. In a typical OPA engagement, we work with the leadership team to assess the current operating rhythm, identify friction points, clarify performance priorities, and determine where the current management system is helping and where it is creating drift. The outcome is a practical execution architecture that may include sharper performance priorities, better KPI discipline, clearer decision ownership, more effective escalation paths, and a cadence that connects strategy, operations, and accountability. OPA is especially useful when organizations are growing, integrating, scaling, recovering from operational drift, or struggling to convert improvement work into measurable business performance. It is also useful when leaders sense that the organization is busy, but not necessarily focused. The benefit is better executive control of operational performance, fewer surprises, clearer priorities, faster decisions, better follow-through, and a leadership team that can see, discuss, and act on performance issues before they become larger business problems. At EMS Consulting Group, we help organizations move beyond isolated improvement activity and build the operating discipline needed for sustained performance. Operational performance architecture is designed for leaders who want improvement to become part of how the business is managed, not something that sits beside the business. If your organization has plenty of improvement activity, but not enough execution traction, OPA may be the right next step. For more information, contact EMS Consulting Group at emsstrategies.com.